What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to swap Polygon for Ethereum in Phantom Wallet. So you might be wondering how to exactly do so. Well, first things first, you want to open up the Phantom Wallet here, and you want to go ahead and choose the appropriate option. So you have four options at the very top. We have receive, send, swap, and buy. Let's go ahead and choose swap. Now from here, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and choose the appropriate option. So we have two fields, you pay and you receive section. Now since we want to swap from Polygon for Ethereum, you want to set the you pay for Polygon and the you receive as Ethereum. So in this case, go ahead and choose the first one here, you pay, and you want to go and choose the appropriate chain here, which in this case, I want to use the Polygon chain. Let's go and choose Polygon. Now from here at the very bottom, you have you receive section. Now you want to go and choose the you receive here, click on the token, and you want to go ahead and choose your chain again. Now, by the way, if you are going to use a different chain here, for example, if you are transferring to the Ethereum chain here and choosing Ethereum here, the fees are going to be really big. So just expect that half of your the value that you are transferring right now will be allocated for fees. Then again, you want to make sure that you're aware of that. But in this case, maybe I want to use the Polygon chain here and choose Ethereum. Now from here, you want to go ahead and specify the amount that you want to transfer. So for example, maybe I want to go ahead and basically do or use the following amount here as the transfer or the swap process. Now, just review a few things here, like the price, fees, price impact, and the slippage. Now, once you're sure here, click on swap now. It's going to initiate the swapping process, and it might take a few seconds or even a minute, but just wait for it. But typically speaking, it's really fast. Now, once it says successful swap or it's done, you can go and click on close here, and you can go and go back to your home page, reload your home page here, and it should now show you the updated value that you currently have right now on your wallet. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.